Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and we're going to see what is inside. So this one here is a 512 gigabyte and it's made in Vietnam. The color is titanium silver. So if you look on the side here, it should have a ME number and serial number. So it doesn't show serial number is just below that, and you got EID number as well. And at the back here, there is a sticker covering the box, so you can pull the tab like this to break it open. And then one down here as well. I'm going to pull it to open. Okay, so now I'm just going to lift up the box and see what is inside. So here is the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I am incredibly excited to unbox this phone, and this is the latest flagship from Samsung. This phone is packed with cutting-edge features and promises to be powerhouse for both work and play. So let's dive in and see what it has to offer. So inside the box here, let's look at the phone. Nice and slick design, very thin design this year, so nice and thin. And the color is quite beautiful. I actually like this color here, beautiful color. Now inside the box, let's see what else we have. So we have the phone itself, and then we got this package right here. And I'll just open it up. So you can pull this one out. So it looks like it's come with a USB cable. So you have one USB-C cable. Let's see if there is a SIM ejector tool. Could be in here. Normally it comes with a SIM ejector tool. So you've got a SIM ejector tool. The phone itself also includes an S Pen at the bottom here. So very strong build, very solid titanium metal case around the side here. Very strong build, solid build. This phone is definitely a beast. It's got a premium feel and quite massive in terms of when you're holding the phone with a stunning display. And the camera bump is noticeable. So you can see here, it's quite a big bump at the back. Look quite strong and powerful too, with a metal covering around the camera lens. There it is. So we've got a camera lens right here, 5 camera lens with the sensor right here. Now the intel of the display, you get 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x and with 120 Hz of refresh rate and 1440 pixel plus resolution. With the inside processor, you get a Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 with 128 GB of RAM. In terms of storage, initially the initial release is 512 GB. After that, you can purchase 256 GB and also come with 1 TB option for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now there are a number of 3 different cameras at the back here. You have the 200 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel telephotos. So the 50 megapixel telephoto comes with 3x optical zoom, and you got the 10 megapixel telephoto at 10x optical zoom. And for the front selfie camera, you get 12 megapixel. In terms of battery, it hasn't changed much. You get around 5,000 milliamp hour. And for charging, you're using this USB-C charging port at the back here. You get 45 watt wire fast charging, and also it supports wireless charging. So nothing much change in terms of charging the battery. For software, comes with the new latest One UI 7 based on Android 15. And other features, in-display fingerprint sensor, IP68 water and dust resistance. You get the 5G connectivity and S Pen support. So how much will it cost you to get this beast? If you are looking at 256 gigabyte, it will cost you around $1,299 in US. And for 512 gigabyte, it will be $1,419. And for 1 GB, you're looking at around $1,659.99. So here you can press and hold on the side button to switch it on. This year I feel like the frame is very solid, very strong, and very steady. So I'm pressing on the power button. It's not booting up. Normally it boots up straight away. So here it waits for a few seconds before it comes up with the Samsung logo. So in conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra looks like an absolute powerhouse with top of the line specs and a stunning display. I'm eager to put it through its paces and see what it can do. Stay tuned for a full review soon. If you are interested in learning more about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, be sure to subscribe to my channel for all the latest tech news and reviews. And don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. And here we can now start up the device. Thanks for watching.